Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something every organized kitchen needs: food storage containers. From meal prep to keeping leftovers fresh, these are essentials you can't do without. We've rounded up the top 5 food storage containers that combine functionality, durability, and design. Stick around to find out which one takes the top spot. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Yory food storage containers. Food storage containers are an essential part of any organized kitchen, and the Yory food storage containers aim to meet all the needs of a busy household. Offering a variety of features, these containers promise convenience, reliability, and an organized approach to storing food. However, like any product, they come with their own set of pros and cons. Pros: BPA-free and safe material. One of the standout features of the Yory food storage containers is their construction from extra-thick PP5 plastic, which is BPA-free, non-toxic, and odorless. This ensures that the containers are safe for food storage, providing peace of mind when storing perishable items. Whether you're storing leftovers or meal prepping for the week, you can trust that your food is kept in a healthy environment. Space-saving design. The stackable and nestable design of these containers is a major benefit. If you're tired of cluttered kitchen cabinets, the Yory containers are a game-changer. Their design allows for efficient use of space, making it easy to store them in any kitchen or pantry without sacrificing organization. Airtight and leak-proof seal. The snap-lock lids provide an airtight and leak-proof seal, which is essential for keeping food fresh. This feature ensures that your meals last longer, reducing waste and preventing spills, especially when transporting food. Whether you're packing lunch for work or storing leftovers in the fridge, the leak-proof lids give added convenience. Versatile usage. Yory food storage containers are suitable for a variety of purposes, from storing fresh fruits and meats to reheating leftovers in the microwave. They're also safe for use in the freezer and dishwasher. This multifunctionality makes them a great addition to any kitchen, whether you're meal prepping, organizing food, or reheating your favorite dishes. Durable and reliable. These containers are built to last. With a strong and sturdy design, they can withstand everyday use without cracking or warping. Whether you're using them for long-term food storage or everyday meals, you can count on their durability to stand the test of time. Cons: plastic durability under high temperatures. While these containers are safe for use in the microwave and freezer, some users may find that repeated exposure to high temperatures can affect the plastic's appearance and strength. It's important to monitor usage to ensure that the containers remain in good condition over time. The Yory food storage containers offer a reliable and practical solution for keeping food fresh and organized. With a BPA-free construction, space-saving design, and airtight seals, they're an excellent choice for anyone looking to streamline their kitchen. Coming in at number 4, we have the Homberking P16 food storage containers. The Homberking P16 food storage containers have garnered attention for their versatility and practicality in food storage. Designed to cater to various needs, they promise to simplify kitchen organization and meal prep. Here's a detailed breakdown of their pros and cons to help you decide if they're the right choice for you. Pros: variety of sizes and shapes. The Homberking P16 food storage containers offer a versatile selection with 32 pieces in 3 different shapes. This variety allows you to store a wide range of food items, from snacks to larger meals, in appropriately sized containers, making it easier to organize your kitchen or meal prep. BPA-free and safe for food storage. These containers are made from BPA-free plastic, ensuring that your food is stored safely without the risk of harmful chemicals leaching into your meals. The addition of a durable silicone strip around the lid guarantees a 100% leak-proof seal, which helps keep your food fresh and prevents spills. Convenience and durability. These containers are microwave, dishwasher, and refrigerator safe, making them incredibly convenient for everyday use. You can heat up food in the microwave, store leftovers in the fridge, and clean the containers in the dishwasher without worrying about damage. The materials used are designed to withstand temperatures ranging from 20 to 110. Space-saving design. The stackable and space-saving design of the containers allows you to store them efficiently in your kitchen. They feature a non-slip strip at the bottom, ensuring that they stay in place when stacked. Additionally, when not in use, the containers can be nested, saving valuable storage space. Portable and multi-purpose. These containers are perfect for a variety of occasions, from meal prep and lunches to parties and picnics. Their portability and large capacity make them ideal for storing food, juice, snacks, or even using them for portion control. They are a great choice for those who need reliable, reusable storage for different needs. Cons. Plastic material concerns. While the containers are made from BPA-free plastic, some users may still prefer alternatives made from glass or stainless steel, especially if they are concerned about long-term use of plastic materials. Over time, plastic containers can become scratched or discolored, which might affect their appearance and cleanliness. The Homberking P16 food storage containers offer a reliable, versatile solution for food storage with their wide range of sizes and shapes. They are safe, durable, and convenient for microwaving, dishwashing, and refrigeration. At number 3, the Vtopmart food storage containers. Vtopmart food storage containers are a versatile and reliable choice for anyone looking to store food in an organized and efficient manner. With a variety of container sizes and features, these glass containers provide a safe and convenient option for storing meals, leftovers, or snacks. Here's a breakdown of the pros and cons. Pros. Variety of sizes. The Vtopmart set includes a range of container sizes, from 5 ounces to 35.1 oz. This makes them perfect for different storage needs, whether you're meal prepping, storing leftovers, or packing lunches for the day. Oven, microwave, freezer, and dishwasher safe. Made from high-quality borosilicate glass, these containers can withstand extreme temperatures, from 4 to 752. This makes them incredibly versatile for various cooking methods and easy to clean after use. Leak-proof and airtight. Featuring removable silicone seals and 4-hinge snap locks, these containers ensure a leak-proof, airtight seal. This prevents spills and keeps your food fresh longer, while also keeping any odors contained. BPA-free and food-grade material. The Vtopmart containers are made from BPA-free, food-grade glass. This ensures that your food is stored safely without any harmful chemicals leaching into your meals, while also offering a crystal-clear view of the contents. Space-saving design. The containers are stackable, making them easy to store when not in use. This is an excellent feature for anyone with limited storage space in the kitchen, as they neatly fit into cabinets without taking up much room. Cons. Size limitations. While the set offers a variety of container sizes, it may not cater to those who need larger or custom-sized containers for bulk storage. For larger families or individuals with significant meal prep needs, additional sizes may be required. The Vtopmart food storage containers are a great option for those looking for safe, versatile, and space-saving storage solutions. Their leak-proof design, BPA-free material, and temperature resistance make them ideal for everyday use. In the second spot, we have the Rubbermaid food storage containers. Rubbermaid food storage containers offer a modern and efficient solution to keeping food fresh while ensuring convenience in everyday use. With a focus on practicality, these containers are designed to meet a variety of needs in your kitchen and pantry. This video is a breakdown of the pros and cons to help you decide if these containers are the right choice for your food storage. Pros. 100% leak-proof design. One of the standout features of these Rubbermaid containers is their leak-proof technology. The two-latch design ensures an airtight seal, which not only locks in freshness but also prevents spills and leaks. This is particularly beneficial when storing liquids or foods that tend to shift during transport. Crystal clear Triton build. These containers are made from Triton, a durable and crystal clear material that mimics the appearance of glass. Not only does this give the containers a premium look, but Triton is also stain-resistant and odor-resistant, ensuring that they maintain their pristine appearance even after multiple uses. Convenient microwave heating. The built-in vents in the lid allow for microwave use without the hassle of removing the cover. This feature helps to reduce splatter and makes reheating leftovers a breeze, saving both time and effort. Space-saving and stackable. The stackable design of these containers helps organize your fridge or pantry more effectively. By making the most of vertical space, you can store more food in a tidy and efficient manner. Versatile and safe. These containers are safe for use in the microwave, dishwasher, and freezer. Whether you're heating, cleaning, or storing in the cold, these containers can withstand different temperatures, adding to their overall convenience and durability. Large set. The set includes 5 3.2 cup containers and matching lids, giving you a total of 10 pieces. This provides ample storage for a variety of food items, making it an ideal option for families or meal preppers. Cons. Material durability concerns. Although the Triton material is stain and odor resistant, it may not be as durable as glass when it comes to resisting scratches. Over time, heavy use or improper handling could lead to visible wear and tear, potentially compromising the container's aesthetic appeal. Rubbermaid food storage containers provide an excellent balance of practicality and performance. Their leak-proof design, crystal-clear Triton construction, and microwave-safe features make them a great choice for everyday use. And finally, at number 1, we have the JoyJolt JW10512 food storage containers. Food storage is a key part of meal prep and maintaining freshness. The JoyJolt JW10512 glass food storage containers offer a practical solution to this everyday need. Designed with versatility and durability in mind, these glass containers come in a variety of shapes and sizes, making them suitable for almost any type of food storage. However, like any product, they have both advantages and disadvantages. Here's a closer look at what makes the JoyJolt containers stand out and where they may fall short. Pros. Durable borosilicate glass construction. One of the standout features of the JoyJolt JW10512 containers is their borosilicate glass, known for its strength and resistance to temperature changes. These containers can withstand both high and low temperatures, making them safe for use in the oven, microwave, and freezer. Whether you need to bake, reheat leftovers, or store food for a long time, these containers can handle it all without breaking. Airtight and leak-proof. The airtight silicone seal and secure hinge clips work together to ensure that your food stays fresh longer. The design prevents air and odors from entering, preserving the quality of your meals. Moreover, these containers are leak-proof, which makes them perfect for soups or stews, as you can confidently carry them in a lunch bag without worrying about spills. Versatile sizes and shapes. With 12 containers in various shapes and sizes, the JoyJolt set caters to a wide range of storage needs. The set includes square, rectangular, and round containers, which can be used for everything from snacks and sandwiches to full meals. This flexibility is ideal for meal prepping, packing lunches, or organizing leftovers. Safe and easy to clean. The glass construction makes these containers easy to clean. They're dishwasher safe, which saves time and effort after meals. The fact that they are also microwave safe adds to the convenience, allowing you to easily reheat your food without transferring it to another container. Aesthetically pleasing and gift-ready. If you're looking for a gift for someone who loves cooking or meal prepping, the JoyJolt JW10512 set comes securely packaged in a gift box. Its sleek, minimalist design also makes it an attractive addition to any kitchen or lunch setup. Cons. Limited stackability. Though the containers are durable and well-designed, their ability to stack efficiently may be limited by their varying sizes and shapes. If you're looking to store multiple containers in a compact space, the design could make organization a bit more challenging compared to stackable plastic alternatives. The JoyJolt JW10512 glass food storage containers are a great option for those seeking durable, versatile, and airtight food storage solutions. Their ability to withstand extreme temperatures, combined with their airtight and leak-proof design, makes them an excellent choice for meal prep and storing leftovers.